Good day, everyone. Headache is one of the most common symptoms encountered in both outpatient and emergency settings, yet it remains one of the most misdiagnosed conditions. While many headaches are benign, some may indicate serious underlying pathology. In today's lecture, we will take a structured and clinical approach to identifying different types of headaches, understanding their distinguishing features, and applying appropriate treatment strategies. By the end of this session, you will be able to confidently differentiate between primary headache disorders and recognize red flag signs that require urgent intervention. Introduction. A headache is defined as pain arising from the head, face, or neck region. It is one of the most common neurological complaints seen in both outpatient and emergency settings. Headaches can affect individuals of all ages, from children to elderly patients. While many headaches are benign, they can significantly impact a person's quality of life, work efficiency, and daily activities. Classification of headaches. Headaches are broadly classified into primary and secondary types. Primary headaches occur independently and are not caused by any underlying disease. These include migraine, tension type, and cluster headaches. Secondary headaches, on the other hand, occur due to an underlying condition such as infections like meningitis, head trauma, hypertension, or even brain tumors. Identifying whether a headache is primary or secondary is essential for proper diagnosis and treatment. Tension-type headache features. Tension-type headache is the most common type of headache. Patients usually describe it as a tight band or pressure around the head. The pain is typically bilateral, meaning it affects both sides of the head. It is mild to moderate in intensity and is not worsened by physical activity, which helps differentiate it from migraine. Causes of tension headache. The most common causes of tension-type headaches include psychological stress and anxiety. Poor posture, especially during prolonged screen use, leads to muscle strain in the neck and shoulders. Eye strain from excessive mobile or laptop use and lack of adequate sleep also contribute significantly. Treatment: tension headache. Treatment includes simple analgesics such as paracetamol and NSAIDs like ibuprofen. However, long-term management focuses on non-pharmacological methods like stress reduction, relaxation exercises, maintaining proper posture, and improving sleep habits. Migraine features. Migraine is a neurological disorder characterized by unilateral, throbbing pain. It is moderate to severe in intensity and can last anywhere from 4 to 72 hours. Physical activity often worsens the pain, making it difficult for patients to function normally. Migraine symptoms. In addition to headache, migraine is associated with symptoms like nausea and vomiting. Patients often prefer to lie in a dark, quiet room due to sensitivity to light and sound. Fatigue is also commonly reported. Migraine with aura. Some patients experience aura before the headache phase. Aura includes visual disturbances such as flashing lights, zigzag lines, or temporary loss of vision. Recognizing aura helps in early diagnosis and preventive treatment. Treatment: migraine. Treatment includes NSAIDs for mild attacks and triptans for moderate to severe migraine. Antiemetics help control nausea. Preventive therapy is used in frequent migraines. Avoiding triggers like stress, caffeine, lack of sleep, and certain foods is essential. Cluster headache. Cluster headache is one of the most severe types of headache. It is usually localized around one eye and occurs in repeated attacks over weeks or months. It is more commonly seen in males. Treatment cluster. Treatment includes high-flow oxygen therapy, which provides rapid relief. Triptans are also effective. Preventive medications like verapamil are used to reduce attack frequency. Red flag symptoms. These red flag symptoms indicate serious underlying conditions such as meningitis, stroke, or hemorrhage. Immediate medical evaluation is required in such cases. Secondary headaches. Secondary headaches are caused by underlying diseases. Proper diagnosis and treatment of the root cause are essential. Diagnosis. Diagnosis is mainly based on history and examination. Imaging is used when serious conditions are suspected. Lifestyle modifications. Lifestyle plays a major role in prevention. Maintaining healthy habits can reduce headache frequency. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to identify different types of headaches and their effective treatments. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medical and educational content.